As you know, when purchasing a used vehicle, there are several factors to consider. While fuel efficiency, safety ratings, and performance are important, we often overlook a critical component: the transmission. The transmission plays a very important role in transferring power from the engine to the wheels, allowing the vehicle to move smoothly. Man, if the transmission of your vehicle fails, trust me, you'll spend a lot of money on repairs, and it can leave you stranded on the side of the road. Consumer Report data has shown that certain SUV models have a significantly higher failure rate when it comes to the transmissions. Today, we're going to take a look at those models and their specific model years that you should avoid. So, starting with number 10, the 2013 Chevrolet Traverse. This three-row midsize SUV experienced significant transmission issues in the 2012 and 2013 model years. Owners reported problems with delayed downshifts and a lack of smoothness during gear changes. The transmission would often hold on to higher gears to improve fuel economy, resulting in a sluggish and unreliable driving experience. In addition to the 12 and 13 models, the 2011 Traverse had its fair share of transmission issues as well. Many owners reported feeling a shuddering sensation whenever they would try to shift through gears. This problem was traced back to a defect in the transmission's wave plate, which could crack or break over time. While the later model years have seen improvements, stay away from those three models. I repeat, stay away, my friend. Number 9. 2016 Nissan ALTIMA. Now, the 2016 Nissan ALTIMA has received mixed reviews. On one hand, it offers a roomy rear seat and good fuel economy. However, it falls short when compared to its competitors in the mid-size sedan segment. The major concern bringing it to this list is its transmission. Equipped with a continuously variable transmission or CVT, the 2016 model has been plagued by reliability issues. Numerous owners have reported premature failures, resulting in expensive repairs or even complete transmission replacements. It's not a car you'd want as a family man. It is worth noting that the Nissan has faced similar problems with their CVT technology in other models, which resulted in a class action lawsuit. Although the Altima wasn't part of the lawsuit, it raises concerns about the brand's overall transmission reliability. Number 8. 2011 Nissan Rogue. The 2011 Nissan Rogue, with its 170 horsepower 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine and CVT transmission, offers decent acceleration and improved fuel economy for a compact SUV. But with all good things, there's a catch. Many owners have reported major transmission issues that could leave you stranded on the road. According to Consumer Reports, transmission failures in the Rogue often occur around 94,000 miles. Now, that may not sound terrible, but in an era where SUVs are expected to last over 200,000 miles, it's not ideal. Considering these issues, it's best to avoid the 2011 Nissan Rogue altogether. There are other options in the market, such as the Honda CR-V or Toyota RAV4, that provide better reliability and peace of mind. Number 7. 2014 Infiniti QX60. Many car shoppers are drawn to the Infiniti QX60 because they see it as a luxury family vehicle. But is it really a smart choice? Well, let's take a closer look. According to Consumer Reports, the 2014 Infiniti QX60 received a disappointing 1 out of 5 reliability rating and ownership satisfaction rating. Most of that negative feedback was due to its notorious CVT transmission problems. Owners have reported issues such as loss of power while driving, shaking, and jerking. Some even experienced multiple transmission replacements, which can be incredibly expensive. When it comes to value and reliability, the Infiniti QX60 falls short compared to other options in its class. Personally, I would advise you to go for the Lexus RX instead. But if you still want a used Infiniti QX60 even after considering that CVT transmission problem and low reliability rating, I'd advise you to at least stay clear of the older model years. Number 6. 2011 Ford Fiesta. If you're considering getting a used Ford Fiesta, oh boy, do I have a story to tell you about the model years of 2011 to 2014. These years had the most complaints from owners, and we know the major issue surfacing is the car's transmission. Transmission problems lead to a range of issues like overheating, slipping gears, and holding onto a gear for too long. Imagine the inconvenience and potential costs associated with these problems. Minor concerns can quickly escalate into catastrophic failures, leaving your car undrivable. That's why I'm going to recommend avoiding the Ford Fiesta model years from 2011 to 2014. It's not just about the transmission issues. The Ford Fiesta also received the lowest reliability and owner satisfaction ratings on Consumer Reports. Number 5. 2013 Nissan Murano. The Nissan Murano, offering a spacious and luxurious cabin, is equipped with numerous premium amenities. Its powerful V6 engine and continuously variable transmission provide a smooth and comfortable driving experience. While the Murano has generally demonstrated good reliability, there is a specific period to be cautious about. Between 2011 and 2013, Murano experienced notable issues, mainly related to the CVT. This transmission problem had caused some owners significant headaches, including shuddering, slipping gears, and sudden power losses. Consumer Reports gave the overall reliability of these model years a rating of 3 out of 5, with transmission as the primary concern. It's crucial to mention that there have been cases where the transmission failures occurred just as the warranty expired, leading to costly repairs for owners. Some drivers had to even seek reimbursement from Nissan directly, which is not an easy process. Number 4. 2019 Kia Forte. Now, don't get me wrong, Kia makes some fantastic cars, but like any brand, there are a few problematic ones that exist. Unfortunately, the Kia Forte is one of them. According to numerous reports and comments from Forte owners, the transmission problems began surfacing early on, even with relatively few miles on the vehicles. Some owners have experienced a rough shifting sensation, delayed shifting, or even transmission slipping out of gear. And I don't have to tell you that that can be frustrating and potentially dangerous while driving. Consumer Reports stated that the typical mileage when these issues occur is between 12 and 23,000. Damn, can you believe that? Some owners have even faced complete transmission failure with as little as 4,300 miles on their Forte. And the worst part? Getting it fixed under warranty can take weeks. Imagine being without your car for 44 days. To put things into perspective, while the Kia Forte has its transmission troubles, other compact cars like the Honda Civic, Toyota Corolla, and even Kia's own Soul have proven to be more reliable, offering better longevity and peace of mind. Number 3. 2014 Ford Focus. Over the years, several models of the Ford Focus have been plagued by transmission issues. According to multiple reports and complaints from owners, the 2012, 13, and 14 models were the most affected. Many drivers experienced severe hesitation, jerking, and even transmission failure when starting from a stop. The transmission problems didn't go unnoticed, leading to a lot of lawsuits against Ford. I mean, a lot. Settlements were made, but the frustration remained among the affected owners. Now, it's important to note that not all Ford Focus models are problematic. However, if you're considering a used Focus, especially from 2012 to 17, be very, very cautious. You might want to consider alternatives like the Honda Civic, Toyota Corolla, or Mazda 3. Number 2. 2014 Nissan Pathfinder. In recent years, the Pathfinder has transitioned from a truck-based workhorse to a softer car-based SUV with 3 rows and 7 seats. The 2014 Pathfinder features a 260 horsepower 3.5-liter V6 engine paired with a continuously variable transmission. Unfortunately, the 2013 and 14 model years of the Pathfinder have gained notoriety for their transmission issues. Consumer Reports have given them the lowest reliability rating, with transmission and drivetrain problems being the primary trouble spots reported by owners. To make matters worse, the 2014 Nissan Pathfinder has been subjected to 10 recalls by the NHTSA for various problems. Personally, I'd advise you to go for the Toyota Highlander instead, because it offers much better reliability. And number 1. 2013 Nissan Sentra. The Nissan Sentra may seem like a reliable and affordable option, particularly for new drivers. However, there's important factors to consider, especially if you're looking at the model years between 2012 and 2015. The Sentra from those years have a lot of transmission problems. The reliability rating for these models is poor, mainly due to their transmission issues. Another notable drawback is the combination of Sentra's 130 horsepower, 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine with that CVT. This pairing tends to create a relentless, noisy driving experience. The ride quality is also stiff and rubbery, while the handling falls short of expectations, even for a light and small car. In 2014, Nissan had made some revisions to the CVT, steering, and suspension tuning for the Sentra. However, these changes didn't significantly improve the overall impression of the underwhelming Sentra. It still struggled to match the performance and refinement offered by rivals such as the Honda Civic, Toyota Corolla, and Mazda 3. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with us today. If you enjoyed this video, please drop a like and of course subscribe if you're not already with us. Please drive safe out there and we'll see you in the next one.